Hello students, today we will recite first standard poem Nature. What is this? Nature. Now what you can see over here? You can see the sun, which is yellow in color. You can see beautiful rainbow with different colors. You can see the white clouds. You can see the sky, blue colored sky. You can see the birds, trees, green grass, flowers, sea. This is all nature, and nature is free. We don't have to pay money for nature. We get it all this free. And even you and me, we are part of nature. Okay children, so let's recite the poem Nature. Nature is might. Nature is strong. Nature is beauty. Nature is moody. Nature is smart. Nature is blue. Nature is green. Nature is true. Nature is you. Nature is me. Nature will forever be free. Now children, let's say few words which are given over here. Look and say. Nature, might, strong, beauty, moody, smart, blue, green, true, ever, free. So children, this was our poem Nature. Bye children.